Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the Xiaomi G20 versus the Dyson V8, and let's see which one wins. First up, suction power. The Xiaomi G20 delivers 150 air watts of power. That's pretty strong. The Dyson V8 gives you 115 air watts. So, the Xiaomi actually has more raw power here. Both can handle carpets and hard floors without any problems though, but the winner is the Xiaomi. When it comes to battery life, the Xiaomi G20 runs for up to 60 minutes on low power mode, and the Dyson V8 gives you 40 minutes. Both drop to around 6 to 8 minutes on max power. For everyday cleaning, the Xiaomi lasts longer, so again, the winner is the Xiaomi. Let's talk features. The Xiaomi comes with more tools in the box. You get a pet brush, mini electric brush, flexible hose, and LED lights on the main brush. The Dyson keeps it simple, with fewer attachments, but has great hair removal tech. Both work as handheld vacuums too. Once again, for me, the winner is the Xiaomi for its accessories. The Dyson V8 weighs less at 2.6 kilograms and the Xiaomi is slightly heavier at 2.9. Not a huge difference, but the Dyson does feel lighter in your hand, so if that matters to you, the winner is the Dyson. Here's the big one, price. The Xiaomi G20 costs around $200 to $300, and the Dyson V8 runs between $300 to $470 depending on the model. That's a big gap. So, which one should you buy? If you want the best value with strong power and long battery life, go with the Xiaomi G20, but if you prefer a lighter vacuum with a trusted brand name, pick the Dyson V8. Both are solid choices. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.